Hi, this is Yana. Back to the next episode. Today we're gonna talking about the preparation of the magic garlic ginger elixir, which will help you to boost your immune system, to boost your metabolism, to stimulate your metabolism, and to really get oxygen pumping to your head to get the most out of your day. If you like this content, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. I will be publishing new content every single week, so make sure you don't miss any of those. I'm Jana, founder of Quantum Transition and Quantum Coaching. I help people to create a happy, healthy, and successful lifestyle. So if you're interested in how you can serve your body, your physical body, and do something really beneficial for your body, make like a little treat for your body, then this video is the right thing for you, because today we're going to talking about the ginger garlic elixir, and I'm going to show you how to prepare and to use the ginger garlic elixir. This is amazing. I love sharing these coaching tips with you. I am excited. If you're excited too, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. You will be getting new posts every single week. Garlic ginger has been used in ancient cultures for thousands of years as medicine. This mixture boosts your metabolism. It helps you with pain relief. It gets high blood pressure low. It gets high cholesterol under control. It helps you with digestion and congestion. It gets the bowel movement more fluidly. With stimulated metabolism, you will automatically get more oxygen to your brain, and that lets you think more clearly and take more clear decisions and simply be way more centered during your daily life. The garlic ginger elixir is recommended to do it in combination with the morning ritual. Check out the other video I have on morning ritual, the morning routine. Check out that video. You will find some tips on how to really blast off your morning and be way more productive and effective and creative and all that from the first moment in the morning on. Also, make sure you check the link below. I have prepared 9 universal secrets for you, and the garlic ginger elixir is one secret. This is a present. It's a free download. It's 9 universal secrets on how to create a happy, healthy, and successful lifestyle. So yeah, this is exciting. If you like that content, please hit the like button. Leave me a comment. I would love to know your experience with the garlic ginger elixir. Let's get started with the preparation. So, actually, it is very easy, the preparation. The night before, you take a clove of garlic, medium size. You peel the garlic, you cut it into thin and small slices, and then you put it in a glass jar. I prefer glass jars. We are working with boiling water, so glass is always a good solution. So then you take the ginger. If it's non-organic, you have to take the peel off. If it's organic, you can leave the peel on. Cut it as well into small, thin slices. The thinner, the better. You put the garlic and the ginger in the glass jar. Now you get some boiling water. And you pour the boiling water over the ginger and the garlic. And all of this, you let it sit for 8 to 12 hours during the night. So in the morning, when you wake up, the first thing before breakfast that you can have is a nice glass of garlic ginger water. What I do personally, in the morning, I take a little bit of hot water and I pour the rest of it with the water that I prepared the night before. Now it's winter time and I enjoy warm drink in the morning. This drink in the summer, it can also be drank as a refreshing drink during the day. You can have it in the refrigerator. You can add some ice to it. And in the winter time, you take it as a hot tea. So it's really all year long. It's an evergreen, ever good thing for your body. So make yourself that little treat. Really, It's amazing. The effects you will notice after a while, it's amazing how it energizes you, how it gets your bowel movement, how it gets your brain going. It's really, I love it. So if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Also, I will be publishing new content every single Thursday, so hit the bell so you'll be notified about the new updates, the new videos I release. All of them are related to raising your frequency, upgrading your lifestyle, and taking the next step. So I'm Jana, I'm really happy to be here with you. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.